Good evening, guys. It is now January 19, 6:30 p.m., and there is no official news for Bitcoin yet right now. We are still very range bound. So if we take a look closely at Bitcoin right here, what we see is a support and a resistance right here, right? Where it's range bound. It has been like that since 4:30 p.m. on the 17th. So for 48 hours now, it's been like this. Yeah, so what a lot of people are doing, guys, is if we have plays like this, we start isolating it, okay? We start isolating it like this. There's not a single clear direction yet. Every indicator is in the neutral zone right now. So if we look at the neutral zone between 60 and 35 or 40 RSI here, you know, there's no clear direction yet. This is on a 45-minute time frame. One hour, same thing. This one's even tighter, right? On the 2 hour, of course. And the 3 hour, it's pretty much the same thing right now. But what I do have to admit is, like this right here, it looks like it wants to eventually curve like that if we just project it and extrapolate, right? On a 3 hour, yeah, it's going up, but we got to break out of this channel right here. On a 4 hour, nothing really right now. Or a 2-day candle, or a 1-day candle, I mean. So right now, we do see that it is inching up here with kind of a support, and every time it gets to an apex point, there's always a chance of something happening, right? So clearly that's an apex point right there. It could break down, it could break up. What a lot of people are most likely doing, like myself, and how it affects altcoins, is that I'm looking for a successful close above one of these supports or resistances, whether it goes down or whether it goes up, okay? So my play, because it is very range bound right now, is as it inches closer into here, if for example, we do get a candle that pokes out of it right here, right? This green one, for example, it poked out of it, but the next candle just shot right back down. It didn't close above it. And because it didn't close above it, then it's very implicative that there's now going to be a massive downtrend. Here, for example, was a very good shot of closing above it, but instead the bears dump on the market or people short. So we get a big spike with a wick there, showing that it's now a shooting star. And a shooting star implies that the bulls have attempted to push it up, but because of the long wick, the bears have now pushed it back down, implying a very strong downtrend. So here, we're slowly inching there. It's going to be days, or it's going to be 1 day, 24 hours. That's 24 hours from now, guys, where it inches there. So a lot of people will most likely put a stop buy, whether it's for their alts that are correlating positively to Bitcoin or Bitcoin itself. They're putting a stop buy right there, waiting for a candle to successfully close above it. But this apex point is going to be a key point right here, of course. We can worry about it breaking down if it does break this support line, first of all. But right now, we clearly see it above the 55 EMA for now on a short time frame, which indicates some stable support that's sloped going towards this price line. So this price line, I'd probably say it's about $11,750. That's where we're inching towards. Slowly inches towards $11,750, where the major resistance is there. So yeah, these are kind of my thoughts on it. It's been a very slow and boring day in the market. All we're doing is waiting for Bitcoin to make the next move, and then once Bitcoin makes the next move, then we can figure out what to do with their altcoins, right? So just hang tight, guys. Hang tight there, and we'll figure it out. Well, hopefully this does end up becoming an ascending triangle like this, right? And then we break up to a new higher high, and then go from there. So good luck, guys. Stay cautious. If you guys enjoy these videos, I'd appreciate an upvote on Steemit, and also make sure that you like, subscribe, and share to them on YouTube and on Twitter. See you guys later. We've been seeing a lot of each other. I hope that you guys are okay with that, because I'm okay with that. See you later.